Green basil leaves are an essential ingredient in a margarita pizza. I really love how they look combined with the fluffy wool fiber. I'm going to show you how to make the green leaves using 1mm wool felt. The first thing I do is cut my green felt into 4 rectangles. My rectangles are about 2 inches long and 3/4 of an inch wide. They don't need to be exact. I typically cut the leaves out without drawing on the felt first, but if you're more comfortable, grab a Sharpie and draw your leaf on and then cut it out. I cut a curved line on one side of the rectangle. Then I turn it over and repeat the process, cutting a curved line long ways along the rectangle. I end up with a loose leaf shape. Because all basil leaves are different, they don't have to be exact or even matching to look believable on your felt pizza slice. I want to add a little dark green detail to make it look like there's a vein in the middle of the leaf. I pull off a thin strip of dark green fiber and then roll it in my fingertips. I lay my strand down right on the middle of the leaf. Then I use my felting needle to attach it. Here's my slice with sauce and cheese that's just ready for some basil. First, I position the leaves on the pizza and try and figure out where I want them. When I felt on the leaf, I try and just stab along the vein. That makes it look more like a real plant. Here's a bonus tip that will make your pizza look really believable. I'm going to add a little bit more white for the cheese on top of some of the edges of the basil leaves. That makes it look like the cheese kind of oozed over and melted on top. I feel like my pizza is looking too symmetrical, so I'm going to add a couple little baby leaves from the scraps of the felt. Here are my completed basil leaves on my slice. Continue your felting adventure by choosing another video and making another topping. Happy felting!